Everyone, especially entitled Karens, should follow one basic rule: never interfere with a traffic stop. On August 12, 2022, Santa Rosa County deputies in Florida encountered a Karen who challenged their authority, only to learn the hard way that meddling comes with a hefty price.
Excuse me? Me or him?
Yes, I'm okay, thank you. I'm okay. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You're holding up traffic, please go.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you're interfering with all our traffic stop investigation, okay? You need to move on or else you're going to go to jail.
Go give her a ticket?
You're about to go to jail. Okay.
Go.
Go ahead and step out, ma'am.
Problem for me?
Go ahead and step out.
Okay.
Step out. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Excuse
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for interfering with our traffic stop investigation for obstructing.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am. You interfered with our traffic stop, told you to go, and you kept wanting to sit there and yell.
I did.
Impeding traffic. So you're under arrest. Back over here.
Excuse me?
To my car. You can either walk to my car or I'm going to make you go to my car. To my car. No need to make this any harder than it is, man.
Signal 1?
Probably. Haven't seen my vehicle. She is slurring and everything else.
Yeah. Or hit someone.
Probably. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? Are you the owner of the vehicle? Yes, no, maybe? That does not look like you.
That's me.
It is?
You want to definitely shoot me.
Oh, okay.
Just because I stopped.
That's not why you're under arrest. Anything in the vehicle will get you in trouble. Can I search the vehicle?
No.
No?
No, you can't.
Oh, okay. 100 to 160.
What's her deal? She just has a right to stop traffic and
Apparently so.
ask when a random traffic stop.
Impeding the flow of traffic.
No one's in handcuffs. No one's detained.
Disrupting us from our traffic stop over there. So,
And then failing to stop when you told her to.
I didn't yell at her to stop.
Oh, okay. I thought you were.
No, I was getting ready to.
You gonna do signal 1?
Probably.
All right.
Probably. Is there anybody close by that can come get your vehicle?
Yeah.
Where's they at?
He's on my house.
No, ma'am. I don't know where you live. Okay?
It says it on the house.
Just because it says on your license doesn't mean where you live. Cell phone's in your front seat?
Yes.
Okay. Call her husband to come get the vehicle. Instead of towing it. So, it's okay.
That's my daughter. What are you doing?
Call your husband.
How can I do that in handcuffs? I mean, y'all. Go back to the home page, first of all. Go to calls.
That's where it was.
Okay, then go back to the home from there.
To your favorites?
No, to recent calls.
Recent calls. Okay.
Hubby, right there.
Okay.
Yes.
What's his name? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Smith?
Hi, Mama.
Hey, can I talk to your daddy?
What's this?
This is the sheriff's office. Can I talk to your dad?
Girl, that's my girl.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up, baby?
Hey, this is Deputy Crossman, Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office.
What?
Yes, sir. Are you in a position where you can come get your wife's vehicle? She's being placed under arrest.
What? This for real?
Yes, sir.
This for real?
Yes, sir.
What's she getting placed on the arrest for?
Obstructing our investigation and possible DUI.
What?
Yes, sir.
Where I need to come at?
We are at Boomerangs right here in the city.
Boomerangs where?
In the city. The Boomerangs restaurant right here by the courthouse.
Right by the courthouse. And where, Milton?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm on the way. She's going to jail? Or do I need to come get her? I can't get her?
No, she's going to jail.
She's going to jail?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm on my way right now.
How long would you think it'll take to get here?
It'll take me 5 minutes. I'll be there right now.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Need a search or what? Please.
On her, and can you run the vehicle for me? She's on my side. Yep.
Let's do that just in case. Let's do this first. Walk to the front of the vehicle. You have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble? Nope. Anything that's going to poke me, stick me? Nope. All right, turn to face the truck.
I just asked him if he was okay. That's all I did. And this is how y'all treat us.
All right, lean forward. No, keep your legs spread.
I'll go all the way over.
Stay right there. I said just bend forward.
Girl, I don't like you.
Okay. Okay.
Yep, sure. Humiliated.
I'm watching out for the husband because he is not happy.
That's what it sounded like.
I'm so sick to my stomach about this. I can't believe this. If I had just drove by and not said anything, this is ridiculous.
I'm Deputy Miss.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, it says O'Connor, your license. Okay.
Yeah, I know it does, but legally it's Smith.
Okay, dokie. Miss Smith, I'm Deputy Ward of the Sheriff's Office, okay? The investigation is being turned over to me. During the initial contact I had with you when you were getting taken in from the vehicle and put in handcuffs, I can smell the odor of alcohol coming from your breath in person. Okay, I also seen some signs of exhibiting impairment from alcohol or possible. That being said, do you want to perform standardized field sobriety test to dispel my belief?
Nope.
Okay, just so you're aware, your refusal of the standard field sobriety test that I asked you to perform, you refusing that is admissible in court, okay? And I go based off what I see, smell, and hear, and the FSFTs are for your ability to disprove that or whatnot, okay? Dispel my beliefs on your impairment with that form of standard field sobriety test.
I don't understand why you're asking me. I thought my husband was about to come pick me up.
Right, okay, but still I have to, I need to know if you want to perform standard field sobriety test for the impairment.
No, he's coming to pick me up, right?
No, you're going to jail.
Oh, no, I'll do a test then.
Okay, well, you're still going to jail for obstruction.
But why?
Because you interfered with a traffic stop that was going on.
Y'all just told me my husband was coming to pick me up. What the hell are y'all
No, ma'am,
doing?
you're going to jail.
Why?
Okay. And the only thing I need to know from you is if you want to do for standard.
No, I
okay.
don't.
All right, so you're going to jail for obstruction. Okay, and you're also going to jail for driving under the influence based on what I see, smell, and hear right now. Okay?
Oh, okay.
You're in custody. I'm not letting go of you.
All right. I'm not going to run.
I know, but still, you're my responsibility at this point.
All right.
My name is Deputy Moore.
All right, bitch.
Would you like to have your seatbelt on or off? Okay.
Hey, stay back. We're doing a traffic stop. I'm gonna have you stay over on this side.
Yeah, that's my car though.
Okay.
That's my car.
All right, we'll give it to you in a second.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what's going on. Like, what y'all even pull up for? Like,
she was interfering with a traffic stop on the investigating deputy at this point. She's under arrest for driving under the influence and interfering and obstructing with the traffic stop.
what you mean interfering? What did she do?
She stopped all traffic to check on a driver that we were talking to that was having no issues with us. We were doing a traffic stop, her traffic stop actually, and she interfered by blocking all traffic. She refused to move when we told her to.
Oh, okay, so you take her to jail for that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Obstruction. And
So
and she's under the influence too.
She under the influence?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what I need to get a bail's bondsman or something?
Her bond's gonna be around $2,000.
Yeah, that ain't no.
Yeah, 10% of that would be for bonds, and give or take is about $200.
Yeah.
You can either go buy bonds, or you can.
And I just need $2,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Or you can go through bonds, whichever you prefer.
No, I just pay the cash. Yeah. You find anything? You find what you're looking for?
I wasn't looking for anything, but
I'm just saying, did you find what you're looking for? I be how I want to be. I got my.
Why would you want to be like that in front of your kid, though?
I be like I want to. Why you being like that in front of my kid? I got my kid out here.
So I'm responding to you.
I don't want to talk.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I don't want to talk. I just want to get my wife on whatever situation she is.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay.
I can go pick her up, right?
It's going to be a couple hours.
Huh?
It's going to be a couple hours.
Okay, and what's her charges?
DUI and obstruction.
Obstruction.
Yes, sir. Obstruction of justice.
Okay. Did she blow?
She doesn't blow on the side of the road.
She doesn't blow.
We do everything at the jail.
Well, how you know how
she's being placed under arrest?
She didn't blow.
She's being placed under arrest for the suspicion of DUI at this point.
With a suspicion. So you gonna
there's a different point in time. We're not holding court on the side of the road, okay? Yes, vehicle's released. So
Mrs. Smith was booked into the Santa Rosa County Jail, where she faced charges for driving while impaired and interfering with police business. After her husband paid the $2,000 bond, she was released. Why do Karens like Mrs. Smith think that they are above the law? Share your opinion and discuss in the comments.